Hey guys, welcome to another video in which I'm going to show you top 3 best website builders which will help you to create and establish your websites as a excellent or as a mind-blowing way. So let's start the video with the top 3 website builders. Let's go.
So at number 1, I'm going to show you WordPress. WordPress is the most popular website builder and it has a large number of templates and pre-designed websites that you can use and customize according to your blog, according to your personal website, or if you are wanted to start with an online store. It can be used as free. You can start it for free at any time. It does not require only coding. You can use it without doing coding, and it has many simple editing plugins, so you can use them like Elementor, and you can do your customization without any coding. It is the number 1 and most popular website builder in today's life. You can watch and you can start your website with free.
At number 2, I'm going to show you Jimdo. Jimdo is also a most popular website builder in which you can customize your online store, your blog website, or your personal website. It also gives a free version, but as you need, you can go for a paid version in the future as well. But for starting, it's full free. You can customize your website in Android phone and PC as well. It has many features. You can everything can be changed anytime, add any images or text, free image library, mean no copyright issues, flexible layouts, and optimize all mobile devices, mean you can use it on PC and customize it on Android phone as well, as easy as simple. At number 3, I'm going to show you Wix.com. It is also a most popular website builder. You can use it. Is very simple, no coding is needed. It has a free version. You can try it for free. You can start with a blog post, your website, or anything you want. You can create in it. It is very simple. So guys, it's done for today. Hope you like the video. If you like it, smash that like button. Please subscribe to my channel for support, and thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. Thanks.